Good morning, dear children. I hope that you all are doing good, and we are starting with our normal classes. I hope we all have written our test in a nice way. And then before its days are very less because we are going to face our terminal examination this month. So let's start our new lesson and we'll finish the portions. Okay, so for the last 2-3 lessons, we were looking about the famous cities that are found in the east and in the south, isn't it? So we learned about those cities' capitals names and where they are located, and about their famous tourist places, and about the climatic conditions, and many things we learned about those cities. I hope you remember all those things. And now we are going to see about something special. Like special means like many children must have been not aware of knowing about all this. So let's learn. By looking at these pictures, you might be guessing what we are going to learn about. So these pictures will always tell that where we can see them and what it is all about. Okay, our lesson is Indian villages. So now you can tell me these pictures we can see in villages. We can't find here where we stay. We live in the busy world, and our life is fully in the city. But the life of the city and the village is totally different. Okay, there are plenty of differences there, and let's see in this lesson only about the villages that are found in India and how they are being functioning and all those things. Okay, so before in the olden days, when we see about the conditions of the villages, it's not like how we can see the villages now. Okay, the villages, they lived in a kucha house made from mud and straw. You can see here. See, and this house is fully made of mud, and it's not built up with cement or bricks or stone like that, full of mud da. And then the roof is being put by the straw na வைக்கோல், அப்புறம் what do you say, then coconut leaf இருக்கு இல்லையா. So with all those things they used to put this roof, and then they have mud roads only. They don't have tar road like how we have. மண் ரோடு தான் அவங்களுக்கு இருந்துச்சு. Then there were no means of transportனா like how we have buses, all those things, transportations, you all know transport means of transport, bus, bike, car, auto, and all those things. In olden days they don't have all this like how we have in nowadays. And then coming to the people, how they travel na, they used to travel by bullock carts na மாட்டு வண்டி. Okay, they used to travel, even though if they have to travel a long distance, they used to travel by the bullock carts. And then the women in the villages, they had to travel a long distance to collect drinking water. They used to go for long distance to collect drinking water because there was no supply of water in the villages. They used to go far distance and then collect water and come. And moreover, in those time, villages, they don't have electricity, current kadayadu, and even they don't have hospitals. Okay, so this was the condition, that was a condition of the village in many years ago. And now we'll see how the villages are. Okay, so this while I was telling you about the condition that was present during those years, the olden days la eppadi irundhuchu. There were no electricity, no transportation, and no hospitals, and the houses were built out of mud, and people used to travel in bullock carts. Okay, so this was the condition. And now we are going to see how the villages has been improved and the things that are found now. Okay, the condition of the villages have improved over years, many years, because like steps has been taken by the people of government, and they have improved the lifestyle of this villages. Okay, here there are but still there are puka houses, and there are puka roads that connect villages to other villages. And then they have electricity. Most of the time most of the villages they have schools, and even the health care centers. Hospitals were not there, but health care centers were there. In my village we have a school and we have a health care center. Okay, health care center hospital mari irukadu, but they have a nurse, like people who know things about they used to be there. They used to take care of the people, those who are sick in the villages, okay, where they don't have hospitals. And people are now they have like schools are there. People started going to school that are found in their villages. And the farmers, like before and all, they don't have schools, so they are not educated. But now even the farmers are being educated in new techniques, farming techniques, how to cultivate the land அப்படின்றதெல்லாம் they were learning. And also people started learning how to use their computer. Okay, so like it is becoming very easy. People are watching the lifestyle of the people, those who are in the cities அப்படின்றனால everything is being granted for them. And now they started learning how to be like people living in the city. Next thing is when we look into these things about the villages are being taken care of a particular government. Like we in cities we have government, so like that in the villages also they have people that function about like function and the villages inuடைய காரியங்கள் எல்லாம் பாத்துக்கிறதுக்கு people there are there, some few peoples are there. And we say it as a gram panchayat. It's like an office or government office மாதிரி இருக்கும். We say it as a gram panchayat. Okay, this panchayat, this gram panchayat only will take care of the needs of the villages. நம்மளுக்கு கவர்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, we have cities-ல கவர்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, they take care of the state government இருக்கு. But in villages they don't have பெரிய பெரிய ஆஃபீஸ் கவர்மெண்ட்லாம் கிடையாது. பட் திஸ் கிராம் பஞ்சாயத்து only will take care of all their needs of the people that are living in the village. Okay, when we look about the gram panchayat, the gram panchayat is also called the gram sabha. Okay, it's called as gram sabha. And here all men and women living in this village above age of 18, they elect the members of the gram panchayat through voting. So in the gram panchayat la function ஆகிறதுக்கு what they do, all men and above 18 yearsக்கு மேல இருக்கிறவங்க they used to vote. அவங்களே செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, ஓட் போட்டு செலக்ட் பண்ணி அந்த கிராம் பஞ்சாயத்துல they will make an officer அப்படி வைப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா, not all everyone can be leader in the gram panchayat. The people used to vote and they'll be functioning the gram panchayat. Okay, the gram panchayat have 5 members will be there. Among the 5 members, 1 woman will be there. 1 woman will be elected in this gram panchayat. Okay, so the head of the gram panchayat is also called as the pradhan or sarpanch. Okay, it is called as a sarpanch or pradhan. Now lastly we are going to see about the functions of this gram panchayat. Okay, let's see how this gram panchayat is being functioned. Okay, actually I told you this gram panchayat only will be taking care of the needs of the villages. Avanga da full and full they used to take care of all the needs. So how eppadi they are improving and how they are functioning அப்படின்றத பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா, so they are the one who maintain the cleanliness. Okay, they will be maintaining the cleanliness, and then they dig wells for drinking water and building and repairing the roads, installing the street lights, and here setting up of schools and health centers, and also helping the farmers to grow better crops. So these are the functions of the gram panchayat. Enna பண்ணுவாங்க, cleanliness, that is more important illa. Then those days people don't have to travel long distance illa. Ipo they started digging wells, கிணறெல்லாம் நோண்டி அவங்களுக்கு தண்ணி கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு this gram panchayat people are helping. அதுக்கப்புறம் ரோடெல்லாம் போட ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. இன்னைக்கு கிராம் பஞ்சாயத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they all have tar roads like how we have tar road here. Even in all the villages, most of the villages are having tar roads. அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. Then even schools are there. அண்ட் ஹெல்த் சென்டர்ஸ், பெரிய பெரிய ஹெல்த் சென்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் அங்கேயே இருக்கு. தென் அந்த ஃபார்மர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து கல்டிவேஷனுக்கு எல்லாம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு so many machines are there. இப்போலாம் நிறைய மெஷின்ஸ்லாம் வந்துச்சு. அவங்க எப்படி இட்ஸ் மேக்கிங் தேர் லைஃப் வெரி ஈஸி. சரியா? ஸோ these are the functions of the gram panchayat. We saw about the villages that are being before long years ago, and after now we saw how the villages are, and we saw how the villages are being functioned. எப்படி ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆகுறது அப்படின்றது பார்த்தோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ கன்க்ளூட் of this lesson. It is very rare to see such villages like olden days, because many facilities are found that had made people's life more comfortable and easier. So people started, those who are living in this village are now happily, and because they don't find any difficulties nowadays, like how they found how they met many difficulties in the earlier days. Now they are not having any difficulties because life is being very easier. There is no difference between city and villages. Now it has become, the villages have become like that. அது மாதிரி ஆயிப்போச்சு. சிட்டிக்கும் வில்லேஜஸ்க்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸே இல்லாமல் ஆயிப்போச்சு. பிகாஸ் all the governments are making necessary steps to help these people. சரியா? So this is the thing that we can see in the villages that are present nowadays in our place. Okay. How many of you like villages? Yes, many of us. Like maybe our parents. Many of our parents are from a village. I am from a village. And still, wherever we stay, in our city la irundha kuda. But the life that we find in the village is really very happiest thing. That thing. ரொம்ப pleasant-ஆ இருக்கும். That will make our life very happy, and we can find peace there. அவங்க கொஞ்சம் சமாதானமாக இருக்கும். நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே இருக்கிற மாதிரி ரொம்ப we don't find a busy lifestyle in villages. சரியா? So village life is really very pleasant, and that gives us peace. So this is all about the Indian villages. And now read the lesson. I want you all to read the lesson and know about it. சரியா? How the villages were in the olden days, and now how villages are. இப்போ villages எல்லாம் how they are functioning, and they are functioning under whom, யார் மூலமாக அவங்களுக்கு ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆகிறா, how those needs were provided, அவங்களுடைய things எல்லாம் how they were provided, எப்படின்றது பார்க்கணும். Now we can't find village people anywhere. Okay, all this while we were seeing about the Indian villages, and coming to the book exercises, fill all this, fill in the blanks and true or false, and the question answer I'll give you the answers. You can write in your classwork note. Okay, so the main thing is I want you all to read the lesson. Just go through the lesson. You'll get the thorough reading that will be helpful for you. Okay, so learn all those things and learn the question answers and the fill in the blanks, and at the same time complete your classwork. Okay, thank you children.